Meaning of equator.
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 Equator. The equator is an imaginary line that circles the Earth, dividing it into the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. It is located at 0 degrees latitude and stretches approximately 40,075 kilometers, 24,901 miles, around the Earth's circumference. This line is significant because it receives the most direct sunlight throughout the year, resulting in warm temperatures and rainfall in regions along the equator. It also has important implications for geography, climate, and culture, and plays a central role in understanding the Earth's physical and cultural diversity.